Hey, what's going on, guys? What's up? What's up? Meme coins kicking things off again, guys. Absolutely beautiful today. I'm not the biggest meme coin holder. However, we're going to have a look at a couple of them. We'll see what's going on in the meme coin market. I know a lot of you guys absolutely love your memes. So let's have a look at what's going on. Turbo, look at this, up 24.7% on the day. Let's go have a look. What else do we have pumping? I think Shiba Inu. Actually, let's go to the top 100 here. Let's have a look at this. Look at Brett, Trump coin. Um, Bonk was up way bigger earlier today. Whiff is kicking off. Memes are looking juicy, guys. Looking juicy. Let's go to the top 200. There you go. Turbo, Dog. Whiff is doing good. Mog's doing good. Memes are starting to wake up, guys. Starting to wake up. This is a bullish sign for altcoins. Memes like to lead the way. So, yeah, a lot of memes kicking it off, guys. A lot of memes kicking it off. Let's have a look at what we have in store today. Let's have a brief look over at Bitcoin before we get into it. Sorry, my voice is still out, guys, so I apologize. All right, Bitcoin sitting at 94,492, guys. Looks like we're going to have another fantastic daily close in just under 2 hours from the time I'm filming this video. We'll have the daily close. Hopefully, we can get back up above 95K for a second daily close above that level. That would be great. Or actually, no. Sorry, yesterday was about 94.6. So just a little under 95. But even still, that's a fantastic close. Let's see if we can get that going. A lot of speculation. Are we going to come back down and test 91? Or are we going to just go sideways through the weekend, maybe dip down here and come back up again, and then come up and test that 98K level over next week? 97 to 98K. Then you got your 100K level up here. We are so close. You can smell it, guys, right? Looking absolutely fantastic. All right, so we got an article to get into. Brett rallies through resistance. Can Bonk catch up following the same fractal? In the cryptocurrency market over the past week, major meme coins are starting to show signs of recovery after enduring sharp corrections since the start of the year. Among them, Brett has come into the spotlight with an impressive weekly gain of 92%. Crazy. Fueled by a major technical breakout on the lower timeframes. Meanwhile, Bonk is also back on the green track with a 52% surge and is flashing a very similar setup to Brett's recent breakout, suggesting a short-term rally could be just around the corner. Looking at the recent chart comparison, look at this, guys. Look at how similar this is. Brett made a decisive breakout above two key resistance areas at the 100-day moving average and the major blue resistance zone. The move triggered a strong rally, pushing Brett's price above the pushing it up, by 46%, reaching the next green resistance zone at 7 cents 098. It was a clean and powerful breakout, followed by a retest that confirmed support, leading to continuation higher. Bonk is now setting up in an almost identical pattern. It has already broken above the 100-day moving average and is currently hovering just under the blue resistance zone. If Bonk continues to follow Brett's path, it could soon stage a rally towards the green resistance area at 402239 from the current price. That would be about a 20% move higher, a setup that traders are closely watching. So what's ahead for Brett? Brett has already shown the playbook. A break above major moving average, clear through resistance, retest, and fly. Now Bonk seems to be walking the same road. If the structure holds and momentum kicks in, Bonk could quickly catch up and surprise the market with a sharp upside burst. That being said, nothing in crypto is guaranteed. While fractals can give hints, markets often find ways to throw surprises. Staying nimble and not blindly expecting outcomes is always wise. Absolutely, guys. Always be careful with meme coins, you guys. I say it all the time. For me personally, how I handle meme coins, if I get into a meme coin, I hold it, I 2 or 3x my money, and then I get rid of it. And then I roll those profits into strong utility plays that I have conviction in, right? In my opinion, not financial advice, in my opinion, nobody should have a meme coin being the largest asset in your portfolio. Not a good idea, guys, right? That's a total degen move. And I mean, unless you don't care, unless you don't care about losing that money, right? But you have to understand that, yes, meme coins come with an inherent risk, as we all know. And everyone says, yeah, I know. But then when the meme coin, rugs or crashes or whatever, they still get mad, right? If you get mad, you've put too much money in. You should be able to go, whatever. I took a shot. You should be able to have that attitude if a meme coin rugs or goes to zero. And any attitude short of that means you've invested too much money into it and you were counting on it too much, right? So memes are flyer plays, in my opinion. I don't have anything against them. I do dabble in them from time to time, as you know, but none of them are long-term investments for me, guys. Do not get sucked into the meme coin community trap where they say, oh, well, they're coming out with a DEX, so it's going to evolve and it's not going to be a meme coin anymore. And it's going to surpass Ethereum in market cap. You watch. Don't fall for that stuff, guys, okay? Too many people fall into that when it comes to meme coins. Me personally, I get in, I 2 or 3x my money, I get out. Thank you very much. Wham bam. Thank you, ma'am. Sorry, arigato, Mr. Roboto, whatever the hell he says. All right. That's how I do it. That's how we play. Guys, listen. I'm getting asked more and more frequently, okay, about exit strategies. When you guys should be getting out of Jasmy or Ethereum or whatever project you're in, okay? A lot of people have been asking me more and more frequently, what price should I be selling this project at? Listen, guys, what we're doing over on the Patreon, okay, is we open up a Zoom window, a group Zoom call where anybody over on the Patreon can join, okay? And during altcoin season, when things are going parabolic, yours truly is going to be sitting there in that window all day, every day, so that you're able to hop on in real time and say, hey, Rob, listen, this is what I have. This is my profit margin. These are how many tokens I'm holding. Should I be leaving this project at this time? Should I be taking profits? What should I be doing? We can sit down together in real time, video call, and chat about it. And we can make sure you're taking profits in real time. Guys, no other Patreon or Discord is doing this for their members. No one else is spending that kind of dedication and time helping everybody make sure they get out of this market with their profits intact. So get over to the Patreon if you need that level of help. We are there to help you. Come on aboard. The link is down below in the description. We're live every single day over there. You can book one-on-one coaching calls with me personally for free as a Patreon member and so much more. So check it out for yourselves, guys. If you don't like it, you can leave. But you got so much help over there for so little. It's 100% worth it, in my opinion. Nothing to lose, everything to gain. Click like if you like this video. Click subscribe if you really liked it. I will see you guys in the next one. God bless.